Hello everyone, and welcome to another video of Animal Crossing. I did post a bit late last night. The video was like 1.5 gigs and it didn't upload until today, so... yeah. Oh yeah, Blathers is it now. Oh yeah, I forgot because I donated some insects to the museum. That should, if I get enough today, then it should open up. Well, should start construction tomorrow. Hopefully. And then the day after that it'll be done. So Tuesday it'll be done. And yeah. Oh yeah. Tell me how you think of this game, if you like it or not. And if not, what kind of games do you like to see people playing, or you know, what's a interesting game to play at the minute? Because I am interested, because I do have a bunch of games, not tons, but a bunch. Like Nintendo Switch, I've got Subnautica, Minecraft. I've got Mario. I've got Pokemon Scarlet. You know. And on PC, I've got Raft, Five Nights at Freddy's, The Sims 4, Lego Marvel, Need for Speed Heat. You know. I've got Left 4 Dead 2, Road 96. Valheim. Valheim's a pretty good game as well. It's more like ancient, well not ancient reality, but like, you know, Thor and all these other gods where you've got like magic and you've got ogres and that you can defeat and all that. So I've got a lot of interesting games. I've got a game about digging a hole. If anyone's interested in that one. And obviously I've got Fortnite that will be streaming a lot because of the new update. The new super update, which I'm excited about. Oh, I can't get this flipping creature, man. Yeah, if you go on my past broadcast, you'll see I did the live event, which was pretty good. It was pretty flipping awesome, to be honest. Like, meeting Palpatine, you know, shooting at him. Shame we didn't actually use the Force against him, or lightsabers against him, because that would have been sick, but... But yeah, like when I saw my own character just lie there by getting just completely obliterated by that explosion, flipping Nora. Back away. But yeah, it was pretty decent. The servers were, for me and XC Dominator, who I refer to as Dom, we couldn't access the servers until flipping 11:30. So, and then I streamed for a bit, and then because the Fortnite servers were laggy, couldn't really do much, so I ended up ending stream and then just playing with them myself. Blind, it does like 500,000 on Battle Royale, I kid you not. I kid you not. It was awesome, I will admit that, but flipping Nora, that was mad. But yeah, he's got new abilities and all that stuff. I showed. Yeah. Yeah, he'll probably do well that season. 100%. No doubt about it. I like how they kept the sprites as well. Oh no. Finally got stung. Finally got stung. Feck. Oh, great. Great. Flipping wasps. Hate them. Oh well. I think I got biomedicine. Thankfully. Oh yeah, I can wear that now, can I? Yes. Handmade crown, I'm wearing that. Yeah. Right. Let me go and put some of this stuff back. Blimey. Alright. Oh yeah. I'll put it there. Hang on more. Oh yeah, I can't do that yet. Just place item. Place item. No, that's alright then. What's that I catch? Beetle, that. Snail. Right, I'm gonna take them to the museum. Well, the tent museum, whatever you call it. But yeah. That looks sick, you know. Alright, here we are. I'll meet Blathers for the first time. Hey Blathers. Pleasure to meet you too. I am. I did. So, I want to collect everything in a museum. Fossils, insects, and fish. Yep. Yep. Yeah. Oh yeah, you can get art as well. Art's a pain in the bum, because you have to get the real art, but also determine if it is real by... Literally, all I did was Google it. Because I can't tell for the life of me which one is fake art and which one is real art. The vaulting pole, minted. $15 more. Oh, I've already got tons for you, lad. Hey, make a donation. Oh, I've got 5 already. Snail. Eek a snail. Yeah, no thanks. I'm not here to waffle on about insects and different creatures, no thank you. Alright. I can have a bagworm. I haven't found a spider yet. Not that I want to, but I do need one. Not in real life, but in the game, obviously. Don't want to find a spider in my room. Hell no. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Yeah. I have you a common blue bottle. That's a blue bottle. Alright then. No. Sorry, I've got a cold as well today. I've got some Drone beetle. Yeah. No, thank you. I have got something else as well. I have, what is that, a pill bug? Yeah. Right, no thank you. Right, 10 donations, sound. Before that happens, I'm gonna make an axe, sell some stuff, and then yeah. Just turn down the volume on the headset because it's quite loud. Right. Hello. Hello lads, how you doing to me? Can I sell anything? Oh, not at the minute. Let me see what I can buy. Oh, not sell. For flip's sake. Alright. What's the sale? Campfire cookware, I like that. I need medicine though. Just one. Yes. Come on that. I'll buy it. Thank you. Nope. These. Where the fuck is it? Mented. Yes. I need an axe. Give me a fucking axe. There you go. I want to say feck. I'm not actually swearing. I'm saying F-E-C-K dot. The word. Finally, shovel I can make. Alright, okay. Yes, please. Keep crafting. I want to see what else I can make. Oh, leaf umbrella. There we go. Beautiful. Nice. Small miles for me. I'm so close to 5,000. I can pay off my debt. Finally. Goodness gracious. Alright. I'll just do it for all the trees. Oh, never mind, that broke easily. Why did they break so easily? Hello? Alright then. Alright, I'll make 2 then. No, I used it on stone and that lasted longer. The flip. Wait, let me check how many axes I've actually got. Oh, I'm an idiot. I've got 2 already. Fucking idiot. Yes, I don't have many brain cells to offer you. Sadly. That's why it broke. Right. Flipping Nora. What an idiot. If you want, you can call me an idiot in the comments. I really don't care. Alright, what was I get? Knock miles. I can pay off my loan now. But I'll keep going with the knock miles. Nice. Oh, an absolute bonehead I am. Any reasonable person will look in the inventory first and see, oh, have I got an axe? Nope, I just make one and then it breaks instantly. But oh no, that's a recently used axe that I had. I didn't even realise. There you go. Alright. And I've got another one. Where is it? There it is. There you go. Getting somewhere. I won't do the oranges because I want to save them. I know they grow back, but I just like them having them on display. Oop. I did the stone. I've already got a pill bug. Iron, yes. Need iron. Oops, missed that bit. No, it broke. Darn it. Yeah, thank you for your service, delivering the axe. Alright. Let's go and make a new one. Ooh. I'm enjoying making these videos. Something for me to do, something to entertain you with. I know I'm not one of them YouTubers who screams his lungs out every time something bad's happen. Well, it depends what game it is, to be fair. Not Animal Crossing, though. But if it was something like Rocket League or something, or a horror game, I probably would. Not shopping. Nah, that's a pink light. Rincon. Ooh, I want to save it for that. I want to get all Nintendo stuff. Yes, in Animal Crossing. Bandage. That's more than what? Now my god. What is this? What they got like the band-aid and those and that stuff? Nah. Yikes. They are ugly shorts. They're alright for the pops. Hypno KK. Oh, yeah, I want to collect all the KK songs. Yeah, I've got Barrio, Handmade Crown, like that. That's a red one. Oh yeah, I want the... Oh, I didn't buy the things yesterday. Oh, okay, white looks better though. Alright. I want to collect stuff. Oh yeah, let me pay off my loan. Hello, I would like to pay off my moving fees. Yeah. Yeah. There you go. Yay. Thank you. How does that 10 to review? It could be better. Yeah. I'm gonna have to pay back 98,000 to bet you. Extreme lax repayment plan, anything is possible. Right. Yeah. I know that, yeah. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Alright then. Got a mouse for that. Oh, wait. Hey, did it. That's it, I think. Yeah. Right. I'd like to talk about my home. You update it for me, lad. Yeah, can I get my own house? Yeah, 90,000, knew it. So expensive for houses. Yeah, let's do it. Actually, no, 90,000 in the real world is a bargain. Compared to it being like 150,000, 200,000, even 280 or something for a house. It's mad. Ah, red. Voice crack. Red roof for me, please. One more thing. Come on, let's get an automatic nut mines pro. Oh, lovely. I just dump my stuff everywhere and put it in storage as well. Thank you. 1 miles plus benefit. Don't have to pay for that, do I? Oh, it's not one of them dodgy subscriptions. You know what I mean? 1 miles plus. Alright. Alright. Die. Oh, right, okay. Complete diver products, Cashbow, Casiba. Oh, catches. Oh, okay. Sell shells. Ooh. Nice. Beautiful. Oh, I don't need to. Oh, I've got an Employee X on there. Right. Where is. There it is. Yes, money. Right, oh no, I can't. I need to. Place something else down so I can collect all this wood. Right. Oh yeah, I can place it there now. Place item. What's this? There we go. Yeah, no, it should be outside, but oh well, really don't go. Campfire. Put a campfire outside then. There we go. Hey. And then I can make my own shovel and don't know what the pole was called. That's another thing, I got a terrible memory. Lovely, lovely wood. Yeah, I might do a Minecraft Let's Play as well, because that doesn't force me to play in real time. I can play that whenever. I can play that at 12 o'clock. I can play that in the middle of the day, or I can play that in the morning. Doesn't really matter, does it? Alright. Nah, I can make a shovel now, I think. Yep. Right, come on. Quick. Where is it? Flimsy. No. Flimsy shovel. Ah. Huzzah! Oh, I can make a slingshot. How much space have I got? None. I can plant them pears finally. It's gonna have pears now. I want apples as well. I want apples. Apples and cherries. No, I won't put it there. I'll put it. Yeah, put it here. Plant. Plant that. Plant that there. Right, where is that? Yes! Money tree. And plant that. No, some money tree shot then. Alright, what did I get? Yes! There we go. Oh, you got different fruits you can plant. Aha, yes. Wait, what else was there? Yes! Thank you. Oh, a lot of sticks. Get all these. No. I'll get all the wasp nests afterwards. I need to get fish as well. There we go. 8,000. Alright. Didn't realise. Hello, rocket. My goodness. Nice. Lovely, I'm getting tons of iron. Yes! Yeah, I don't have any more. Alright. I don't need this though. Iron's good for building bridges and that, so I do need a ton of that. Get the stone. Clay, nice. Nice. Doing alright for myself in this game, you know. Paid off my debt, thankfully. Oh, sugar. Feck. Right, make another one then. Also, I might play the game at not bedtime, nighttime. Don't know why did I say bedtime? Absolute donut, aren't I? What I could do one time is do like a nighttime gameplay, like 15 minutes or something, I don't know. See how that goes. Because I know at night time some events do happen that are only at night time. So I'll do that. What have I got in my pocket there for? Oh, I picked up a wasp nest. Ah. Lots. Nice. 150. Alright, nothing else. Right, sound. I'll pick up the wasps first then. Where are all the wasp nests? I know there's one more. I'll do the wooden ladder. Nice. Hey. I think I've done this tree. Yeah. And this one? Yeah. I'm gonna have to sell some stuff. Anything on there? Nothing. Right. Let's go in here and do some selling. Alright. I wanna sell some. I want to sell. I'm offering you 4 wasp nests, clumps of weeds. Those are 2 clumps of weeds. These 3 branches. Oh yeah, I'll be it. Nice, thank you very much. I'll put that in. Well, I'll put 10,000 in. Yeah, yeah. IBD. Deposit. 10,000. Right. I want to look at redeem nook miles. I know I've not got much, but wetsuit. Gotta buy the wetsuit. Redeem. Right. Yes. None of them, but I'll have a look anyway. Alright, let's go back up. Tool ring. Yes. Ooh, get a receipt. Nice. Oh, my back, man. Yay! A tool ring. Oh no, not the designs. The mouse plus. Thank you. Oh, I still got more. Yay, greedy weeder. Wow, alright then. Alright. Should I do some fishing? Actually, let me get all this wood. And I'll do some fishing. I've got that dragonfly, haven't I? Yeah. Yeah, I got. Oh, I haven't got that butterfly. I need that. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? There it is. Got it. I haven't got that butterfly. Yes. Thank you. Right. Right, get my shovel out. Oh, this makes good sound. That's the only reason why I made that thing. Makes a cool sound. Oh, there was another wasp there. Oh, silly me. Wow, I've only got one space. Are you joking me? Well, let me check on the other side of this beach. Usually these... Yes. Got it! Right, let me go and... put away this fly. I don't know if I can put away that crab as well and use it. Or if it's just mainly used as fish bait. Hello. Make a donation. Can I donate it? No, I can't. Alright, it's just mainly for a DIY. Tiger butterfly. No, thank you. Yeah. I need to sell some stuff again. Ooh, blimey. Right. I'd like to sell, please. Yeah, that's about it. Yeah, please. Thank you. What can I make? Oh yeah. Make some fish bait with that. Keep crafting because I want to make the slingshot. Flimsy watering can, let's do that. Nice. How much space have I got? Not a lot. Alright. That's a bit of a pain then, isn't it? Oh. No, I'll just go fishing. Actually, I'll visit the... Oh, where's the pole? There it is. I'll go see what the other bit of the plan looks like. Flowers up there. Tons of weeds, goodness gracious. Fossils. Nice rocks down there. Right. Love this music. Yeet across. More fossils. Another, sweet. Another fossil there. Nice, okay. There we go. No. No, come on. There you go. Are you joking me? Right. There we go, finally. There we go. Sea bass. That was a carp, never mind. Alright then. Right. Oh! Got it! Yes! On skater. Thank you. My days. Oh, there we go. I'll sort that out in another video. Because it's just a pain in the butt. Alright, Blobbers, I've got 2 things for you. Pond skater. What do you mean a wretched thing? It's cute. Wow. Looks a bit creepy, I guess. Yeah. I've got some. I've got a cart feeler. That means I'll have 7 things to collect. No, thank you. I'm a bit busy. No. Cool. Some more donations. What I might do, because I've reached 40 minutes now, I might end the video and then try and get that donations ready so that it can start construction. Yeah. But yeah, I'll leave it here for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed me screwing up and, you know, getting things done at least. And my tent is a complete and utter mess. I've got a wasp, I've got a camp cooking station, clothes, lamp, a pink radio, Father's Day cup, a picture frame, and whatever that bed is, I don't know. Yeah guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do, like it if you want, or dislike it, depends, up to you. And subscribe if you want to see more content like this. And I might do some Minecraft playthroughs as well. But yeah, hope you enjoy and I'll see you in a bit. Bye.